Hello, kids. Good morning. This is Teacher Grace, and welcome back to our class. How are you today, kids? I hope you are doing good and feeling happy today. What day is it today? Do you know? Yes, today is Monday. Can you spell Monday? M O N D A Y. Monday. Now this morning we will have a new lesson. We already finished everything about the Stone Age. Now, what comes next? Here comes the Bronze Age. Bronze Age. From copper and tin, we make bronze. Let's learn first the vocabulary words. The first word is copper. Copper. Can you say copper? Let's spell copper. C-O-P-P-E-R. Copper. Next word is tin. Tin. Can you say tin? Tin. That's good. Let's spell tin. T-I-N. Tin. Next word is boat. Boat. Can you say boat? That's good. Let's spell boat. B-O-A-T. Boat. Next word is metal. Metal. Please say metal. Let's spell metal. M-E-A-T-A-L. Metal. Metal. Next word, mines. Mines. Please say mines. Let's spell mines. M-I-N-E-S. Mines. Next word is dagger. Dagger. Say dagger. Dagger. Let's spell dagger. D-A-G-G-E-R. Dagger. Next word is jewelry. Jewelry. Say jewelry. Let's spell jewelry. J-E-W-E-L-R-Y. Jewelry. Next, river. River. Say river. River. Let's spell river. R-I-V-E-R. River. Next word is horse. Horse. Please say horse. That's good. Let's spell horse. H-O-R-S-E. Horse. Next word is cart. Cart. Please say cart. C-A-R-T. That's how you spell cart. Now take note, cart has only two wheels. Two wheels. Now this one is Wagon. Wagon. Can you say wagon? Let's spell wagon. W-A-G-O-N. Wagon. Wagon has 4 wheels. It has 4 wheels, while cart has only 2 wheels. Next word is ox. Ox. Can you say ox? That's good. Let's spell ox. O-X. Ox. Next word is chariot. Chariot. This is what you call the chariot. Let's spell chariot. C-H-A-R-I-O-T. Chariot. Next word is warrior. Warrior. This is a warrior. Another one, warrior. Can you say warrior? Warrior. Let's spell warrior. W-A-R-R-I-O-R. Warrior. Next word is archer. Archer. Say archer. That's good. Let's spell archer. A-R-C-H-E-R. Archer. Archer is a person who uses bow and arrow. Archer. Next word is sickle. 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 Please say sickle. That's good. Now let's spell sickle. S-I-C-K-L-E. Sickle. Next word is plow. Plow. Say plow. Let's spell plow. P-L-O-U-G-H. Plow. The man is plowing. Next word is trading or barter. Can you say trading? That's good. Can you say barter? Barter. Let's spell trading. T-R-A-D-I-N-G. Trading. Now let's spell barter. B-A-R-T-E-R. Barter. Next word is crops. Crops. Please say crops. That's good. Let's spell crops. C-R-O-P-S. Crops. And our last word is livestock. Livestock. Please say livestock. That's good. Now let's spell livestock. L-I-V-E-S-T-O-C-K. Livestock. Let's proceed to your activity. Please take out your worksheet that looks like this. Write your name, your number, and your class. And all you have to do is to write the names of these objects in the photo. For example, this picture. What are these? What do you call them? Are they crops or livestock? Now you have to write the word here on this space. Okay, kids, that ends our lesson for this morning. I hope you learned something and remember all the words that we learned today. Goodbye. See you again.